Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to tell you guys about 10 easy credit cards you can get approved for if you have bad credit. So if you have bad credit, you're trying to find out which credit card you should get, I'm going to tell you guys 10 easy credit cards you can get if your credit is bad. So I'm going to tell you guys 10. I always suggest that my clients get 4 credit cards and have 2 installment accounts. And I'll tell you guys about installment accounts and I'll tell you the easy ones to get. So installment accounts are like student loans, or say if you have a car payment, those are installment accounts. You got to have 2 of those reporting to your credit reports. So this is kind of going to be that one-stop shop. If your credit is bad, this is where you go. Like seriously, this is where you start off. Now, this credit card right here is the 2 credit card. I've been telling people about this credit card. They'll approve you up to $10,000. So you can get a limit from $100 to $10,000. You're not going to have any interest, any fees. The only difference with this credit card is that you have to continue to pay this credit card. So it's kind of like an American Express. If you guys know what American Express is like, you can't just carry a balance on this. If you use that credit, just understand you got to have that money paid back within 28 days. Kind of think of it like that. But what they're going to do is they're going to look at your bank account and they're going to approve you for this credit card. If you have not seen this video about this credit card, check it out. I definitely have this video. Just go ahead and search on my page. You'll be able to find a video on this credit card. But I got approved for this credit card and they reported to the credit bureau. So I really suggest everybody get this credit card, especially if you have an account, a bank account, and if you don't have like overdraft fees and things like that, and you guys keep money in that account, then try to get this credit card because this will be good because they're not going to check your credit at all. So that means no hard inquiry. Now that's the 2-1 credit card. The next credit card with an S, multiple credit cards, is Capital One credit cards. People sleep so much on Capital One. Capital One is a good way to get through the door. Like when I first started building my credit, I got the Quicksilver One Rewards credit card, and then Capital One told me, hey Rickita, you can get the Platinum one too. So I got the Platinum credit card too. Now, when you try to get approved for this credit card, try to have like a 580 credit score to try to get these. At least a 580 credit score. They're going to pull your TransUnion and your Equifax credit report too. They pull them both. So understand that. Try to have a 580 credit score. And if you guys had like a bankruptcy or anything like that in the past, they'll still accept you. But the thing is, if you owe them, they're not going to let you back in unless you pay it. So make sure you pay whatever you have with them if you had Capital One before, and they'll let you back in. Now, if you don't have a 580 credit score and you want to get through the door, try their secure credit card. So with their secure credit card, you're going to put a minimum of $49 down. So they'll pick, depending on your credit, they'll tell you, hey, you could put $49 down, $99 down, or $200 down. And they're, even if you put the $49 down or whatever you put down, it's still going to be a $200 initial limit, right? And then make sure you keep paying your bills on time. You're not maxing out this credit card. And then as little as 6 months, they're going to give you a regular credit card with them. So you're going to be able to upgrade to the regular Platinum credit card, I believe. So you'll be able to upgrade that card and they'll do it automatically. But when you have these type of credit cards with Capital One, you're going to have an online account. And when you have that online account, log in every month and ask them for an increase. Like seriously, ask them for an increase every month. Now, this is Capital One. Don't forget 580 for these two. And with the secure one, you can have any credit score. Just try to get it right. Now, the next credit card I want to talk to you guys about is Credit One Bank. Now, Credit One Bank, I like Credit One Bank. It's an easy credit card to get, but their annual fees sometimes are just out of control. But for people that just starting off, they don't want to put any money down on a credit card, this is a great way to get credit. And if you want to get a credit card with them, all you have to do is click right here where it says, see if you pre-qualify. So you can try to pre-qualify for their credit card and they'll let you know if they approve you for a credit card right away. So this is a good way to try to get in the door with them and try to get a credit card with them. So I suggest people have like a 550 credit score for Credit One Bank. So yeah, try to have a 550, do to see if you pre-qualify, and you'll be surprised. Now they're going to pull your Experian credit report. So they're going to pull your Experian credit report. So if you're just using Credit Karma, you don't know your Experian credit report, go ahead and use your credit score. Go ahead and use that link down below where you can get your credit reports for just $1 with Identity IQ. So they have a program. You pay $1 now, and then after that, after 7 days, they're going to charge you $21.99. So go ahead and get your credit reports for just $1. And if you want to keep your credit reports perfect, keep them. But if not, then you can just cancel it. Now, the next credit card I want to talk to you guys about is credit card with Navy Fed. Now, if your credit is bad, you can't just get any old credit card. Like, you can't get their cash rewards, their platinum, the gold reward. You can't get any of these, right? What I want you to try to do is get their secure credit card. Now, what I like about their secure credit card is when you get this credit card, you guys, you have an option to put only $200 down. You can put more than that down, but if you put $200 down and you're paying your bills on time for 6 months, then they're going to upgrade your credit card to a $2,000 credit card. So even if you put $1,000 down, it's still going to go to $2,000. So I just tell people put $200 down, just get started, right? And you guys, so many people have done this and so many people have told me how this changed their life. So definitely look into getting a credit card with Navy Fed. It's going to really, really, really change your life. And if you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. But with the Navy Fed, you do have to be a member. So sign up for Navy Fed. Everybody should try to get into Navy Fed. And if you have not watched a video on how to get into Navy Fed, check out one of my videos because you do need to be a member of Navy Fed. But be a member and ask them to do the pre-qualification for them. And I really suggest this. You guys get in the door with Navy Fed right now. So definitely try that out. Now, if you guys have your credit is so bad, like you're in the 300s, 400s, and you like Rickita, like you talking about 580 and 550, I don't have that. Then try to get the credit builder card. So with the credit builder card, you can get 2 of these credit cards and you have a $200 deposit that you have to put on each of your credit cards. The best thing I like about this secure credit card, you guys, is that they're going to report to all 3 credit bureaus. They're not going to check your credit score at all. And they're going to report to the credit bureaus before you even get the credit card. So that, like, literally, you could still be waiting on this credit card to come in the mail, and they're going to auto report. Capital One not going to do that. Credit One Bank, Tumo, none of these credit cards are going to do that. They're going to wait till you get your credit card, and then they're going to report probably after your first bill. This credit card right here, you guys, they don't do that. They're going to report right away. So definitely look into this. And like I said, you're allowed to have two credit cards, which is amazing. Now, another account I want to talk to you guys about. Remember I told you you may need to get some accounts where they're installment accounts? Well, this is the account I was telling you guys about. Now, I personally have Self. I just did a video about Self yesterday too. It's amazing. So many people, their credit scores went up so much from having Self. Me personally, my credit scores went up over 155 points since I signed up for Self. No, I did other things to my credit, but still, this was part of helping me build my credit. Now, when you sign up for this account, I do this account right here with a $48 per month. I pay that every month and for 12 months. And then after that, they're going to send me my $539 back. But listen, they're going to report to all 3 credit bureaus, which is going to boost the credit score up. So I definitely suggest people sign up for the Self. And I have all the links to all of these credit cards down below. I don't want you guys to, try to look for these different links. I have all the links down below for you guys. Now, when you sign up for Self too, they have a credit card. So they have a credit card that you can get. So right here, you can see where I'm still signed in actually, but they got a credit card you can get. So I can just click right here on set up my credit card. Well, I'm actually logged out of it now. They just logged me out, but they have a credit card that you can actually get and all the money that you're paying into Self. So remember they said that I'm going to have $538 that I'm going to be able to get back. They're not letting me go back. Then I can put that into my credit card. So all you have to do is at least have $100 saved and make 3 payments on time. And if you pay $48 per month, you're going to hit that target and you'll be able to sign up for a secure credit card without putting money down because they'll use the money for that account that you already paying into. So now you have 2 things reporting. You got an installment account and you got that credit card. So that's why I tell people to get Self. I really love Self. And like I said, I have all the links down below for you guys. Now, the next credit card, it's not really a credit card, it's an installment account. The next installment account I want to tell you guys about is Credit Strong. If you guys have low credit scores, I'm telling you, look at the reviews that they have on here. 1 month, 49 points. I've been with them 3 months and 91 points. They pushing 700 right now. This is perfect, you guys. So what I want you to do is click right here on view their pricing because they have 2 different plans. Well, they have multiple plans, not just 2. They have another one too that you can sign up right here. I want to show you guys about. But just to get to the basics, if you guys like, okay, $48 per month, Rickita, that's too much for me, honestly. Well, then once you think about signing up for Credit Strong, because you can do $15 per month. They'll report to all 3 credit bureaus. And you know how I told you that with my account, I pay on it for a year? With this right here, you can pay on it for 10 years. I know they're like, wait, what? But listen, with installment accounts, honestly, if you really want to build your credit, you want to have history. So with my account, they're only going to report for a year. And then after that, they're going to close my account. And I don't have much history. I only have a year history. But if you really want to have a lot of history, like definitely look into getting a Credit Strong account. And like I said, too, they have an option where you can pay $15 per month, $30 per month, and you don't have to go all the way up to the 10 years. That's just up to you. You can do a year, you can do 2 years, you can do 3 years. It's all up to you. So let's go right here and look at these plans right here. Now, this one is going to report a $10,000 installment account on your credit reports. That's huge, you guys. That's almost like a car payment for somebody that got like a really cheap car. But yeah, they're going to report that. You just have to pay $110 per month. And don't forget, the money that you're paying into this is just like that self account. It is going to basically be saved. Some of it you're going to pay toward interest, but some of it is going to be saved. And it's not like you're just not paying towards anything, like you're just paying for an account to report. You're saving a lot of this money. So this is really amazing. And this one right here is $5,000. So look into Credit Strong. I have this link down below for you guys also. Now, here is the Discover credit card. This is a secure one. Now, Discover, they're really picky when it comes down to getting their regular credit card. So I'm not even going to suggest that to anybody. They're really, really picky. So I always tell people, if you want to get through the door with Discover and your credit score is bad, then try to just get their secure credit card, because it will upgrade. You will be able to get another credit card with Discover. So with their secure credit card, all you have to do is just like any other secure credit card, just put your deposit down. You can start with $200, and then they'll send you that credit card out, and then it's going to graduate. I believe this graduate after 8 months, but definitely look into getting the Discover credit card. And like I said, I have this link down below for you guys also. The next credit card I want to talk to you guys about is the Citi Bank credit card. So the Citi credit card, this credit card is easy for you guys to get, especially like I said, $200 limit. You'll be through the door, you'll be able to get it, and it graduates. Now, the thing about this is, if you guys had a bankruptcy, I would not suggest going with Discover or Citi, because they're very picky. If you just had a bankruptcy, I think they want you to have a bankruptcy at least 2 years old. So don't think about getting these credit cards if you had bankruptcy. The other ones, go ahead and try. But with these two, I know for sure, like, don't even try it. Don't even try to get this credit card. But these are all the credit cards I definitely want to tell you guys about. Don't forget, all of these are down below. You guys can just rewind this video, watch the credit cards that you like, go back to that section and try to apply for them. And let me know in the comments if you got approved for any of these credit cards. Or if you watching this video and you're like, oh, I got that credit card. Oh, I got that account. Put that down in the comments below too, so I can see and others can see too which credit cards they should possibly get. Now, like I said too, I have my exclusive membership for those people. If you got bad credit, most likely you need to remove accounts from your credit reports. So definitely looking to sign up for my exclusive membership. And with my exclusive membership, you guys will have access to all of my dispute letters, so you guys can start removing accounts from your credit reports. And also, I teach you guys about credit. I teach you guys about the different credit cards. You'll have the personal video for all these different credit cards on the exclusive membership. And on top of that, it's only $1 to start. So you can start with just paying $1, like literally just pay $1 to start. And if you get your credit reports with Identity IQ, I sent you that link, and you get your credit reports and you know you need to get your credit repaired. You guys, if you're a member of my exclusive membership, it only costs me 55 cents per letter to mail it out. I mail the letters out for you guys for free. So you already a part of my exclusive membership. I'm like, I mail the letters out for you for free, especially if you're busy. Just learn about credit in the exclusive membership, and I'll mail the letters out for you guys for free. But go ahead and look down in the description. I have all these different links for you guys. I have it also at the top of the comments. If you have any questions, call or text me. My number been on the screen all this time. Call or text me. But understand too, I do have a team. They're most likely going to answer, but I know for sure they're going to be able to help you out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.